You can do everything that you put your mind on. I'm assuring you that, but you have to believe in yourself. That's the first step. You can do everything. You can master and learn the craft design skill. You can do everything. You have to believe in yourself.
This design is not just an ordinary design. We are going to design a motivational design. So anytime you feel like giving up, when you look at the design, it encourages you and it motivates you to do more. So I'm gonna assure you that you can do it. Believe in yourself. You got this. So this is the flyer we are going to design. A very nice and beautiful flyer. It's a motivational flyer. So I want you to design, and whenever you feel like giving up, just look at it and get encouragement, get motivation that you can do it. So you have to believe in yourself. So let's start. I'll give you all the resources. Check the description for it. Let's go. Let me tap here to get rid of design. So first of all, what we are going to do is to delete this and come here and bring our background. So let's come to from gallery, and then we choose the background that we are going to work on it. So let me come to my gallery and let me come to my pins. So here is the background, right? Very nice background. So let's choose the 3x4 size for it. This size 3x4, right? Choose that size for it, and then let's tap on a check mark like this. So you got something like this, right? So now what we are going to do is let's bring our image, the image that we are using. So let's come to import and let's come to gallery, and then let's come to I saved it in my pixelab. So I'll come here and bring it here nicely like this. Good. So I'll tap here. Let me come to relative size and then increase the size. Just increase the size to 100. Tap on weight, increase it to 100. You get something like this. Don't touch anywhere. Just tap on this layer button here and lock it. So once you have locked it, let's start with our writings. We are going to write believe in yourself. So that's the main caption, that's the main word. Yeah, so we write believe first, and then let's bring it here. When you bring it here, come to size, position the size somewhere here, and then come to fonts. Let's change the font of it. We are giving it Montserrat bold. So we come font and choose Montserrat bold, and then let's increase the size a bit too, somewhere 250 or 240. Let's do it 250. Okay, so let's type let's copy this, and then let's write believe in yourself. So let's write yourself. So as I'm saying, want you to believe in yourself. You can do everything. Every great story starts with believing in yourself. So you gotta believe in yourself. Let's make this 240. All right, let's make the believe 240, and this one's to 225. Let's make it 225, and then let's bring this one top here. Let's send this one to back, so it will be back like this, and then let's make it like this, and make sure they are come to relative position and centralize them, both of the writings, right? So we get something like this. Let's lock it. Come here and lock it, so we get our word like this, believe in yourself. So you will come to our gallery again, and so let's choose this particular image, this paper, slice paper image, right? So once we bring it here, you tap on the check mark like this and bring it here. So you are going to compress it. Tap on this dot here to compress it a bit, so we get something like this. I'll place it here, so I have to make it a bit smaller in size like this. I'm tapping here to compress it. So I'll position it here, increase the size a bit, position it here, and I'll come to color and change the color of it, give it this yellow color. You see this yellow color, but for this one I will reduce the transparency of it to somewhere 80, or yeah, 80, or let me make it 90 and see. Alright, so 90 is okay. So now, like, let's write in. So we come to test and write in, so it will be believe in yourself, right? So let's come to position, and then let's position it here, bring it to where the slice paper is. So it's very simple design, so I want you to replicate it and then use it as your motivational design. You have to believe in yourself. Let's come to font, and let's change the font of it. Let's choose the same Montserrat bold for it. Okay, so we get something like this. I have to increase the size a bit. Okay, so I think it's okay. Let's position it well in the paper there. All right, so okay, let's change the color of it. I think I should change it to black. So black like this. Wow, that's great. So what else has left to wait is you are going to copy the same paper, the same image that you brought. So we copy it and let's bring it here. This time we are going to make it big in size like this, and then let's position it here. So once we position it here, you come to color, you come to opacity and increase the opacity to let it be 100 full. All right, and now let's write on the paper here. So let's come to test, and then let's come to edit. I have the writings here, just a motivational writings that I have here, so I'll paste it. So this is how it is: believe in your infinite potential. Your only limitations are those you set upon yourself. Very encouraging and motivational way. So you have to believe in your infinite potential. Your only limitations are those you set upon yourself. Very deep. So let's tap on OK, and let's make this in 4 lines like this. So you gotta take your time and then do something great. Okay, so as I'm saying, this is a motivational design. It's going to encourage you, so I will advise you to try your hands on it. So let's come to align, and let's left align it like that, and then let's come to fonts. Let's change the fonts of it. This time we are choosing this. Which font should I choose? Let me choose the Montserrat itself, the Montserrat bold for it too. Let's come to size and increase the size of it. Okay, but I don't have to. I don't think I have to choose the Montserrat bold. Let's come to font and choose the Montserrat itself, and let's see. So Montserrat medium. Let's choose that, and let's see if it will go with it. Okay, so let me change the color of it. Change the color of it to black. Okay, great. Okay, so let's come to line spacing and reduce the line spacing of it. So we have something like this. Increase the size well, and then position it here. Let me come to position it well in the shape there. Alright, that's great. So guys, we are almost done. I think we are done, right? So very nice. So let me write you got that. You got it. So let me write you got something like this. You got that. Gotta believe in yourself. So let's put it here. You can change the font of this one too. Let's use this Poppins medium italic for it. So if you don't have those fonts, you can use any similar fonts for it. So let's come to position and align it here. Great. So guys, you are done. Can write your name on it. Let me copy this one and write my name, my brand name on it, because not my email. Okay, discussing. So I write it like this. Let me bring dot here, and then place it here. I'm going to change the font of it to this script font. If you don't have this particular script font, you can use any similar script font you have. So let me use signature collection. This is the script font I'm using here. So I'll place it here. Let me come to padding and increase the left pattern of it like this and position it here. Use the size. So guys, that's it. I can change the color of it, but I think it's cool. That's it. A very nice and beautiful design. Follow attentively and design something similar, and then let me see. If you don't have my number, check the description for it and send it to my number. If you want my training too, send it into the discussion platform and let me see. Wish you all good luck. You gotta believe in yourself. Remember that.